everybody. Happy Saturday. It's race day. Actually sunny outside. A little chilly. I do kind of have a long sleeve shirt on and gonna bring a hat with me. Cover my ears tonight. It's kind of chilly right now. But it's not raining, so that's a good thing, right? Positivity. It's not raining like it was last week, although last week was fun because I got to hang out with my brother and his new girlfriend, which was awesome. Um, but yeah, I'm just going to finish getting my stuff ready to go to the track. I do have to go to Target because I have to buy new pillows because the pillows at my dad's house are, like, it's flat, completely flat, and it's starting to hurt my neck. If you didn't know, I spend the night at my dad's house usually on race nights when I have to go to work the next day. So, going to make myself a quick little snack. Going to take this Graze strawberries and cream granola topper, and I'm going to put it on some yogurt, put a little honey on my yogurt. I've been eating yogurt and honey lately for some reason. I don't know, I like it. I enjoy it very much. So I'm going to do that, finish getting my stuff ready for the track and for work tomorrow, and then it will be Target and race time. Time to eat. Alright guys, so I am at Target. I got my cold brew. I stopped at the shop and got some cold brew. Our cold brew is amazing. So I'm on a mission to find pillows, and maybe some rain boots. I don't know. I really want a pair of rain boots, but it's going to depend on what they look like. So, because I want really, really cute rain boots. I don't want like old lady rain boots. Because I'm trying to prevent myself from looking old. That's why I have pink hair. So, let's go to Target. Okay, so I'm at my dad's house. I bought pillows. I bought like king size giant pillows because, like as you can see, like at my dad's house, this is like the windows. I sit by the window. And I have this body pillow. It's up against the wall. But then I thought, oh, two king size bed pillows will work perfectly since it's just me sleeping in this bed, or my sister when she comes to visit, she sleeps in this room. It's empty. This is my childhood room. Seriously empty. My dad keeps the Christmas tree in here. He claims it's like my nightlight. Whatever. But then I bought this pillow too. Look how cool it is. So my intentions for this room is like my sister comes here, like she should have like a dresser or something in here, something like a light. I don't know, something needs to be put in this room. And clearly everything like I have is at my house now because my stuff. The only thing I have up is that stuff up here. I've had that for a long time. It's got all these like candles my dad used to buy for me at Christmas time. Yeah. Mission complete. How do I go into Target? Initially, just be like, I'm just buying pillows. I'm just buying pillows and pillowcases, and then I leave Target spending $109. How does that happen? You get me every time, Target. Every time. Every time. Have fun! Come on, David! Come on, David! Go, David, go! Come on, David! Oh! The heck was that? Come on, David! Come on, David! Come on, David! Hey guys, it is Sunday evening. It's about 5:30. I am on my way home from work, and I gotta tell you, I feel like the end of an era has happened. So I don't know how much I talked about this, but we had an old school cash register. Like, everything had a department that you had to key in. Nothing was itemized. You had to figure out mistakes just by looking at numbers. Today, well, I should say tonight, currently, right now, my boss is putting in a new point of sales system. It's called the POS system. Everything is touch screen. Everything is itemized. Pretty much, I am screwed because it's going to be like I'm new all over again. Well, I shouldn't say that. It's going to be hard to find where everything is. Like, everything is alphabetized. But I'm not used to it. So I'm going to be like, everybody's going to be shooting orders at me. Like, I want this, I want this, I want this. I'm like, hold on a second. I did get to practice on it a little bit. I'm not as fast as I want to be. And it's just weird. I've been there 9 years, so it's going to be like starting all over again. It's going to be that crazy. So tomorrow morning is like officially when it goes live. Like like it's going to happen. And thankfully, though, my boss is going to be there all day because I'm not going to know what to do. And the other girl that's working with me tomorrow, she's been there 8 years, so she's only been there a year less than me. And her and I are like, I'm so scared. I'm scared. I don't know what to do. Oh, just slightly stressful. Just slightly.